Hello, my dear children. I welcome you all in the session of class 2 for mathematics in your academic session 2020-21. Children, as I know you are at home and it's very difficult for you to carry your academic curriculum in your life these days. So that is why Holy Student Public School has taken this decision that we will be teaching you while you are at home through online classes. So this is for your convenience. Please use it as much as is possible, which will help you to improve your academically very nicely. So for maths, I know in your last year you have already studied about number names, words, and its place value. Along with that, comparison of numbers, addition, subtraction, multiplication, then ascending descending order. Everything has been already taught in your previous class of class 1. This year in class 2 we are going to start our chapter with our chapter which is in your book. This is your book, and the chapter which we will be starting is the number notation. Okay children, first of all I'll clear your concept. What is this number? हम कोई भी नंबर बोलते हैं तो उसमें हमें सबसे पहले आपका कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर करना है. एक्चुअली व्हाट इज द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ नंबर नोटेशन? So children, please remember two things. There are two things in number notation. One is numeral and another is number name. ये कोई बहुत बड़ी चीज़ नहीं है. It's very easy to understand and learn. Number names, जब हम नंबर को when we express number in the terms of word, जब हम नंबर को वर्ड में एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, that is known as number name. And when we write that number in the form of digit, then this is a numeral. Remember it again. When we express that number in the form of digit, then it is a numeral, and when we express the number in the form of word, it is known as number name. So these are the two basic concepts. So clear your concept on this perspective. I'll just give you an example here, children. You can see here the number is 265. Okay. Now we are writing in the form of numerals 265 in the digit. So this is written 265 is what? Numerals. 265 is what? Numerals. And when you write in the terms of word, that is 265, then it is known as number names. So you have to confirm yourself. There are two terms, numerals and number names. Numerals when you express in the form of digit, and number names when you express in the form of names or word, it is known as number names. Now next thing. So here we have clear one concept, that is numeral and number name. Now we will clear your concept on the term of place value. I am 100% sure that last year you have completed your place value topic. Place value, if you see on the board, there are, when you talk about ones, then there are three place value in ones. One itself is ones. Another, when it add to another, add with another zero, it comes to tens. And when there is one more addition of zero, then this goes to the place value of 100. So ones complete of ones, tens and 100. After 100, the next comes for 1000. Now 1000 has two place value. When addition of 1 0 in 100, it goes to 1000 and it is known as 1000 in number name. And when there is one more addition of 0 in 1000, then it goes to 10,000. So if you see the period of place value, you will get 10,000 with 4 0, 1000 with 3 0, 100 with 2 0, tens with 1 0 and 1 with a single 0. So this is the concept of place value. So you have to remember like ones, tens, hundreds, then 1000 and 10,000. So this will make all your period and places of the number. Now let's practice as per your book. I have gone through your books, and just what I wanted to teach you is that when you have an exercise like this, if you can see it properly, you have an exercise like this where it has asked that you have to just read the place value, you have to write the numerals here and then number names. So this is, suppose for example, let's take one example. Ones is 5, tens is 9s and 100 is 1. So what is the number here is 195 in digit. and then you have to write in the number name. I'll do one example for you on board. Just look at this. See, 5, 6, 3, 9. So 1's place is 9, 10's place is 3, 100 place is 6 and 1000 place is 5. Means when we will write this number together, then it is, the numeral is 5639. And when we will write in the form of number name, then 5639. So similarly you have to do in your books, which is given here. So here you have to write the numerals and here you have to write the number names. Okay children, now in next question what it has done, it has written the number name and you have to place that number in the place value like ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. For example, let's take one example, 842. So I have one example on the board. Suppose this is the number 264. So what is the numeral for this? Numeral is 264. So this is not at the 1000 place. So we will start with this 264. Okay. So this is the numeral of this number name. Next number name is 8000. Means how many 0 with the 8? 3 0. So we will write 8 here and 0, 0 and 0. So this is the numeral. And again here in the next question it has asked you to write the numbers, numerals into words. Means number name. So this has given 645. You have to write the number name like this is how much. ये ones पे क्या है? 5 है, tens पे 4 and 100 पे 6 है. Ones, tens and this is 100. So ones, tens, 100. So this makes you 645. 645. So the next example is for you 7232. Similarly in your book you have the exercise 2.1 and 2.2. So children, please remember it seriously that you have to complete the chapter 2.1 and 2.2 in your notebook first of all. Then we will proceed further with the next assignment. So I hope children you are clear with your concepts. If you have any doubt, any query, you can ask through the number given to you and I am always available for you. Thank you for listening to me. We will meet in the next session with the completion of assignment. Thank you.